Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make meat spring rolls with Vietnam rice paper. Hope you like it! Ingredients: minced meat, tomato, eggplant, mushrooms, chopped garlic, spring onion, Vietnam rice paper. Chopped onion, chopped mushrooms, cut tomatoes into small chunks, stir-fry onion white, add tomato and stir-fry until release red oil. Add minced meat, stir-fry until turned white. Add eggplant. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. One tablespoon tomato sauce. Add black soy sauce to add color. Optional to add pepper powder. Meat paste is ready. Plate and set aside. Garnish with spring onion and let it cool. This meat paste goes well with rice or porridge too. It tastes so good. Let's roll spring rolls once it's cooled down. Soak Vietnam rice paper with water. Flatten rice paper and place meat paste in the middle. Fold rice paper upward. Fold both sides inwards. The rice paper will gradually become soft and sticky, so you need to act quickly. Roll upwards. Spring rolls is done. Let me show you from another angle. The meat sauce should be just right, otherwise it will be too full and easily break and overflow. It is easier to roll the rice paper when it starts to soften. Done! Spring rolls made with rice paper is ready to be served. The Vietnamese rice paper spring rolls are so pretty. The translucent spring rolls are so appetizing. Edible rice paper is used for making gikuyen or shake gio in Vietnamese cuisine, where the rice paper is called ben trang or ben onem. Ingredients of the food rice paper include white rice flour, tapioca flour, salt, and water. The tapioca powder makes the rice paper glutinous and smooth. Rice paper wraps can be included in a weight loss-friendly diet. Their low-fat, low-calorie nature, combined with a good amount of protein and fiber, make them a suitable choice. Opt for wraps made with whole wheat flour and filled with vegetables for the healthiest choice. Low fat and calories. Compared to many other snacks, rice paper is low in fat and low in calories, helping to control weight and support weight loss diets. This is a perfect choice for those who want to reduce the amount of fat in their meals while still enjoying delicious food. Supports blood sugar control. Complex carbohydrates in rice paper help control blood sugar levels better than simple carbohydrates, slow down the absorption of sugar and reduce the risk of diabetes. Easy to combine with other foods, rice paper can be easily combined with many other foods such as vegetables, lean meat, and seafood, helping to increase nutritional content and diversity in the diet. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.